Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Okay, today we're going to start with a Temu haul. We have a lovely bracelet. It's a jade color bracelet, and I'm not sure, but I kind of think it said it was actually jade. Um, so we don't want to be jaded. Haha. No, I'm just kidding. Um, and it's nice and stretchy, so you can put it on for this can be used unisex for a man or a woman. See, sorry about this, the way it's pulling at my dress, this microphone. Anyway, let's keep moving. And then here's the next bracelet we have. We're not going to do just bracelets today. I got a couple of different items to show you. This one is a lava bracelet. It's stretchy also. Could be unisex, nice and smooth. If you see right here, it has these little cubes. That's the word we're looking for, with gold around them. What you can do is you can add like cologne or something, and this will hold the smell of the cologne. So that's why this is a lot of fun. So I would say men or women, it's for both. And then if you wanted to, you could wear it together with different bracelets. I think that looks cute. And they're both stretchy. Okay, the next thing is some wonderful gloves. One thing I've always wanted was gloves that allowed me to not have to remove them when I got a phone call or when I needed to text someone real quick. I used to really hate having to remove my gloves. Now I'm going to try to make sure I'm putting this on the right hands, because if you don't put it on the right hands, then they won't work correctly, obviously. Um, this is driving me kind of crazy, this part, but we're just going to work through it. It's just that the microphone, I'm still kind of trying to figure out exactly where I need to put it. But, oh, by the way, Temu dress. Love it. I will, if you all want me to, I can do a Temu dress haul, because I've bought a lot of their dresses. So if you would like to see that, let me know in the comments. Okay, back to my hands. Okay, yes, let's see. Yay, I put it on the right part. As you can see, my little doggy here is in the picture. You can move it around and see I'm using the little different tingies. I don't know what to call them. It's morning when I'm recording this, so, and I'm not a morning person by any means, but I was like, I've got to get this filmed. So yeah. I also got these in black, and I would say it's between true to size to possibly going up a size. If you're really not sure, I would say, or you really feel kind of nervous about it, I would say go up in size. But you just have to kind of try it out. I will say Temu is really good at customer service. So if you have any problem at all with an item, let them know, and they will take care of you. I would say they're one of the best companies that I've seen that works to make sure their customer is happy. They even do price adjustments. So if the price, like within 30 days, goes cheaper, they will actually cover that price adjustment and give you your money back, the difference. So that's also very, very nice. So the next thing is, let's see. This is a shoulder bag that's you're seeing everybody wearing. It's nice. It's unisex. You can just wear it in the front, or you can wear it in the back. I like it, I think, better in the back, kind of turned around, but you can really wear it either way. It has, let's see, 3 pockets that you can put things in. So you could, like, that's big enough to put maybe like a small, I'm trying to think how big a Kindle is. I'm not sure, but it's big enough, I would say, to put like a small tablet or a smaller tablet. Then there is another section, and it's nice and soft on the inside. It has nice padding, so I would say this is the side you would use to put like your phone or something like that. You would use to protect it, because it has, you see that it has the nice padding down to protect your phone or tablet. This part is another little pocket that you could use to hold like your money or ID. A lot of people are traveling right now. This would be really great for traveling, or just an everyday bag. Trying to, okay, see the size of my head? This gives you some comparison of like how big is it. So hopefully that helps. Cheese, cheese, cheese. I'm trying to figure out what thumbnail should I use. And here is another. I think this one is actually the last one, I believe. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. Okay, we're going to save this one to be the last one. Oh, wow. I got a lot more goodies. They're just on the smaller side. Okay, this I absolutely love. Let me show you what it is. It's actually, why don't I have my scissors over here? I don't know. Anyway, it's actually a keychain that says little reminders. You are enough. It's okay to have bad days. Don't believe everything you think. You are so very loved. Be kinder to yourself. Isn't that cute? Hopefully you can see it. You want to do a screenshot, you can do that as well. So that way you can really read it and enjoy it. But this is what make a wonderful little gift for yourself or someone else. Because that it's definitely important to take care of yourself mentally, and to encourage others to take care of themselves as well mentally. So the next item, drum roll please. No, I'm just kidding. The next item is a beautiful satin bonnet. It is just gorgeous. I got the burgundy color with flowers underneath, rose flowers. Um, and the way you wear it is you can tie your hair up and then put it on like so. It works perfectly. And it even gives you, excuse me, it even gives you a little decoration. Of course, this is for sleeping, but I mean, you want to look cute at any time, right? So, yeah. But they had this in various colors. But this is my favorite color, the red. Okay, now we're gonna go to, oops, where's the other one? Oh, okay. One of our final products, I believe. Let me just check and make sure. Yeah, okay. This is the drum roll. So, this one, it's a present for me. By the way, this is all sponsored by Temu. So it's a nice Temu treat. If you are an influencer, please let me know. In the description below, you will find a place you can click on, and I'll also link you to a video that tells you more about it. If you would like to just make some extra money and you're not an influencer, they also have an affiliate program. Um, and you can also make some nice money from it that way as well. Okay, so here we go. I have been wanting a book bag, and now I have it. Isn't that pretty? It's like a burnish cherry color. It is, where's that little, oh, what is this? Is it measuring tape? I was trying to think, like, how am I going to include the measuring tape exactly? But I thought it was so cute. It's pink, and you can just pull it out, your measuring tape like that. So when we use it, we're going to use it. Okay, so this is much better. So it's like around 12 inches across. At its largest point, like at the bottom, it's about 13 and a half inches. So you could, really get a lot of stuff in this particular bag. I'm going to scoot back a little bit more so that, and let's hope I don't fall out the chair. But if I do, I will keep recording because I know, you know, everybody's ready for a little laugh. So just kidding, just kidding. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Okay, so yeah, here is the book bag. It has a little handle that you can hook it on. It has this wonderful little pouch that you can put things in. In the front part, somewhere to keep like your I don't know, like candy or pens, pencils, anything like that. Um, that would be great for that. And then this part has another section, a little medium section, where you could put a couple more things, some tissues, um, and then on the back side of the bag is where you can really open it up, and really it could be a wonderful little carry-on bag. Oh, and that's a nice surprise. Look at this. I was thinking it was a tie at first. I was like, oh no, I didn't order a tie. But no, it's a handle that comes with the bag. But yeah, you see it has like a lot of space in there that you could put clothes. So this would be a wonderful carry-on bag, especially if you roll the clothes up, like on the insides. You could roll the clothes and put a lot of things in this bag. You could also put your books in it, but and then it also has a smaller pocket, like a secret compartment that you could put things in right here. It is a little bit more padded. So if you do have any electronic items, the padding would help somewhat, but I would also take, I would also put it in a padded bag as well, but this will work wonderful for just like an iPad. I just noticed also there is a spot in here that you can even put your pens and pencils right in there in the very back of it. And then on the sides, there's pockets. So that'd be a wonderful place to keep a cool bottle of water. Another place to keep another bottle of water or some snacks or something like that. And we can just zip this part back up. And then I want to put this attractive, colorful handle on it, because this was one of the things that attracted me to the bag in the first place. I just thought about that, but I had forgotten about it. So isn't that cute? And it goes well with my dress, you know? See? You could just take it around and yeah. Uh, so you could actually carry it different ways. You could carry it this way, or you could carry it with this handle, the colorful handle. It just kind of depends on your preference. I would say it's more so for decoration, just to have kind of hanging, which is really pretty. Um, yeah, so that's going to end it for today. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments what you enjoyed the most, and I'll see you next time. Bye.